Yeah, welcome to the Crypto Fubu YouTube channel. I want to do a very quick analysis for us. This is Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, Bitcoin US dollar. Right now, what is happening to the price of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is having some bit of tough time breaking above 38,000, 37,800. The reason why this is happening is because this is a resistance. Now, this was a support for Bitcoin around March 2022. Yeah, look at it here. Around March 2022, this was a formidable support for Bitcoin. Remember, every previous support serves as future resistance. That is why we are seeing now in the future, this is serving as a resistance. For Bitcoin to break above this, what must happen? Let's look at some facts on the chart right now. All right, remember that we saw this resistance here, which I did talk about in one of my previous videos, that Bitcoin is going to have a tough time breaking above this resistance. That was what played out here. Bitcoin had a tough time breaking above, had a tough time here also breaking above. Eventually, Bitcoin break above here. Why did Bitcoin break above here? Because the reason is because we saw constant demand coming in here, consistent demand coming in here. Demand came in and demand was consistent. And eventually, Bitcoin break above this 31,000. Right now, what do we want to see? We want to see demand coming in consistently. For Bitcoin to break above 37,800 and 38,000, if demand reduces, if demand become weakened, then we are likely to see some form of retracement for Bitcoin. Yes, that's what it is. Now, take note. Let's look at the momentum. What is the momentum saying? If you look at this beta RSI right now, though it's still green here, meaning that there is some underlying momentum. That is what it means. Now, if you look at this RSI here, it's in an overbought territory. What happened? No, we saw a bit of retracement for Bitcoin. We saw a form of a bit of retracement for Bitcoin here. When the RSI came into the overbought territory, we saw a bit of retracement here also for Bitcoin. And then even here too, we saw a bit of retracement. Right now, Bitcoin is in the overbought territory. Likely, we might also see some form of a bit of retracement for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin does retrace, we will be keeping our eyes on 31,000. 31,000 is going to be our target once again for Bitcoin. If it does retrace, that will be a substantial retracement from 37,000. So we are going to be watching also very keenly around 35,000. 35,000 can also have some support, and 33,000 can also have some form of support. This is a simple analysis of what it is right now on the chart. But if you go on the 4-hourly time frame, you notice that there are some pockets of weakness already. There are some pockets of weakness already. If you go on the 4-hourly time frame, let's look at this chart of Bitcoin US dollar on 4-hourly time frame. Yeah, you can see the clear resistance here acting for Bitcoin. Now, this is a clear resistance, and we are seeing now the red coming in. Supply need to come in to convince us. You can see weakness here. You can see some form of weakness. This is high. This is higher, lower high. Though the RSI is still green, so we might see some form of reversal, but we want to see demand. Demand must come in for Bitcoin to break above here. Now, this is what I have for us today. So remember that Bitcoin is a leading indicator for every other, crypto. If Bitcoin is weak, then we are likely to see a large weakness in the overall asset in the market. If Bitcoin is strong, we're also likely to see strength coming into the other cryptos also. So let's keep our eyes on the close of the candle for today. And remember that we are going to be heading into a new week in a couple of days. Today is Friday, and we are going to see the candle of the week close and new candle open for the week. I think for those traders, might pause for now and wait for what the new candle will do for the week. Or look, watch at what the volume and demand is doing, so we can know where to take our trade as we head into the new week. Already this week has been very, very profitable. A lot of trades have been very profitable for us this week. Big profit this week. So keep our eyes, keep our fingers crossed and see what happens over the weekend and what kind of opens in the new week. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like our videos, turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos real time as we upload them. We keep them simple and we make them educational. So you make money, you don't lose money with us. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next update. And remember, humble self, Henry.